Time now for a bite of the week. It comes from yesterday's Health Ministry press conference. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton was asked about his marital affairs.
The question came following a series of viral posts on social media this week about deeply personal allegations involving the health minister. Here's our bite of the week.
You were saying a while ago, Minister Tufton, that you really, appreciate the work that Market Me does and did. I think the question that Edmund wanted to ask was maybe not answered thoroughly. So I would just want to ask it more directly. Did you cheat on your wife with any of the princes?
No, Minister.
Hold on. No, let me answer.
Minister.
Let me respond. First of all, that's none of your business. And I would prefer you stick to questions around the operations of the ministry. And just as I leave you to your private life, I'd like you to allow me mine. Thank you very much.